Today we're in St John's Wood in the heart of northwest London, and it's a beautiful sunny autumn afternoon. I've got a fantastic 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-reception room, family terraced house just behind me. Let's go and have a look. Starting with the kitchen, where you have state-of-the-art facilities that can cater for pretty much anything you need. Moving on to your dining area, just in the middle of the open spaces, and landing lastly in the living room right at the back. Just beyond those beautiful sliding doors is a landscape designed secluded garden. But if you follow me up to the first floor, we will start to have a look at the accommodation. We're now on the first floor. I'm standing in bedroom number 2, which as you can see is filled with natural daylight, original period features including a stunning non-working gas fireplace. At the rear of the house you have another bedroom, a bathroom which is also used as a utility room, and just next to us here is bedroom number 3. Now, a consistent trend in this house is, again, you've got an amazing amount of natural daylight, excellent ceiling volume, and plenty of storage. As well as that, you have a beautiful ensuite bathroom. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this house benefits from a beautiful secluded garden. Just come and take a look at just how incredible it is. Well, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen, but to book a real viewing or to find out more information, please do get in touch by visiting www.andersonrose.co.uk.